Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about the some common salts. So here is a list of common salt. Which are these? We have to just read it out. Sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, and bleaching powder. Okay, these are the common salt. Which are these? Sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, and bleaching powder. These are the common salts. Now move to sodium hydroxide. So first of all, what is the formula for sodium hydroxide? NaOH. It is a sodium hydroxide. But how it is prepared? Okay, today we have to learn about how the sodium hydroxide is prepared, and all these common salts like baking soda, washing soda, and bleaching powder are prepared. Now here is a reaction is given. See, NaCl, that is a sodium chloride, H2, that is water. Okay, when the NaCl is a react with is a added to the water, then we will got a NaOH, that is a sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas, and water gas. Okay, H2 gas, hydrogen gas. See, this is a when the NaCl is decomposed, when the sodium क्लोराइड जब डिकम्पोज होता है, देन वी विल गेट Na plus and Cl negative ion. And everyone knows, see this is diagram, see this flow diagram. Everyone know anode has a positive charge and cathode has a negative charge. We have take here solution of the सोडियम क्लोराइड. हमें यहाँ पे सोल्यूशन लेना है NaCl का, एंड वी हैव टू पास द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ओवर देयर. ओके, हियर आर टू poles, that is anode and cathode. Okay, now after decomposition of NaCl, we will got Na plus and Cl negative. Okay, and there is a attraction of opposite poles. Okay, positive negative are attract each other and negative positive are attract each other. So if the anode is a positive, then which of these two is attract to the anode, whether Cl or Na plus Cl is attracted to the anode. So that's why at anode Cl gas is generated. Okay, C, anode has a positive charge and cathode has a negative, everyone knows. Okay, after dissociation of the NaCl, we will got Na plus and Cl minus. So opposite poles are attracted to each other. That's why Cl minus is, that is chlorine gas, is produced at the chlorine gas generated at the anode. Okay, chlorine gas is formed at the anode, and the Na plus is going to that cathode. Na plus going to cathode, that is a, see this is a Na plus, that is a Na plus is a going to the that a cathode, that is it is a negative and this is a positive. Okay, and if there is a formation of, when it is a solution of NaCl, it is solution of NaCl. Okay, after decomposition of NaCl, we will got ions Na plus and Cl negative. Okay, now after this the water molecule is also here, brine solution. Brine solution means what exactly? ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन इज नथिंग बट एग्जैक्टली द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द वाटर एंड सॉल्ट. क्या होता है ब्राइन? मीन्स द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट. हियर इज अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द वाटर एंड सॉल्ट. यहाँ पे क्या है? सॉल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट है. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज पास्ड ओवर द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ होता गया है, देन water molecule and NaCl, that is sodium chloride, are react with each other and we will got a sodium hydroxide. Okay, and sodium hydroxide, that is after dissociation of sodium hydroxide, after dissociation of sodium hydroxide, we will got again Na plus ion and OH minus ion. Okay, we will got Na plus and OH minus ion, and at the anode place, that is releasing of the chlorine gas. Okay, and at the cathode place, releasing of the hydrogen gas, because it is a positive sign and it is a negative sign. Opposite poles are attract each other. Okay, so here is the way to form the NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. Now move to next one, bleaching powder. So first of all, what is the formula for bleaching powder? Okay, and one more important thing I want to tell you that this process that is the formation of NaOH, this process is called as a chloralkali process. Why this is called as a chloralkali process? Because there is a formation of chlorine gas and alkali. Alkali means NaOH. NaOH is a base, that is it is a alkali. So there is a formation of alkali and chlorine gas. So that's why this process is called as a chloralkali process. Okay, now move to bleaching powder. So what is the formula for bleaching powder? Simply the bleaching powder, the formula for bleaching powder is a CaOCl2. क्या फॉर्मूला है उसका? CaOCl2. Okay, now bleaching powder is also known as a chloride of lime. क्या है bleaching powder? It is also known as a chloride of lime. See, it is a when the chlorine is a treated with calcium hydroxide. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ ट्रीट होने के बाद वी विल गॉट अ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर CaOCl2. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ क्लोराइड ऑफ लाइम. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्लोराइड ऑफ लाइम. क्लोराइड ऑफ लाइम. ओके, नाउ it is a solid and yellowish in color. The bleaching powder, it is a solid and yellowish in color. Bleaching powder can be easily identified by strong smell of chlorine. हम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल ऑफ क्लोरीन. ओके, when the see how this bleaching powder is formed. When the slake lime, that is a calcium hydroxide, is treated with chlorine, when we will got the bleaching powder. Okay, simple. This is reaction very simple. Now move to next page. That is here uses of bleaching powder. क्या है bleaching powder की uses? The bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant to clean the water. Okay, bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant to clean the water. वाटर को क्लीन करने में ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का यूज़ होता है. ओके, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज़ यूज्ड फॉर ब्लीचिंग ऑफ कॉटन in a textile industry, also bleaching of wood pulp in a paper industry. Okay, bleaching powder is used as a oxidizing agent in many industries such as a textile industry, paper industry. उसका यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है? एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट में भी उसका एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट it can be used. Now move to baking soda. Okay, move to baking soda. So first of all, what is the formula for baking soda? Baking soda is the NaHCO3. NaHCO3 means what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate means it is a sodium bicarbonate. ये क्या है? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, it is a sodium bicarbonate. The baking soda is commonly used in the kitchen. Baking soda commonly कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? किचन में. Everyone knows this. Baking soda is commonly used in kitchen for what? Making a crispy tasty pakoras. Okay, now sometimes it is added for faster cooking. Faster cooking में भी सबसे इसका यूज़ होता है. Now how this baking powder, baking soda is prepared? First of all, NaCl, that is a sodium chloride, is treated with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. Then after we will get the sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is a baking soda, and ammonium chloride. उसके साथ में हमें क्या मिलता है? Ammonium chloride. Okay, now what are the properties for the baking soda? Baking soda की क्या properties हैं? Okay, what are the properties for sodium bicarbonate? हम उसे sodium bicarbonate भी बोल सकते हैं. Now the sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline solid. Sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline solid. Okay, and appears as a fine powder. the sodium bicarbonate, that is a sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is a white crystalline solid and appears as a white powder. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a amorphic in nature. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a sparingly soluble in water. ये वाइट पाउडर होता है एंड सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, वाटर में इजीली सोल्यूबल होता है, सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू देयर यूजेस. व्हाट आर देयर यूजेस आर सिंपली फॉर मेकिंग द बेकिंग पाउडर. बेकिंग सोडा का यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है? फॉर मेकिंग द बेकिंग पाउडर. ओके, सेकेंड यूज इज अ it is also used in the soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, फायर extinguishers में भी उसका यूज़ होता है एंड ऑल्सो यूज एन इंग्रेडिएंट इन एंटासिड्स. एंटासिड्स में भी उसका यूज़ होता है, ingredients as a ingredient. Now move to washing soda. So first of all, what is the formula for washing soda? What is this formula for washing soda? See, this is Na2CO3 10H2. So it is a sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. It is a 10H2O. 10 water molecule means decahydrate. It is a decahydrate. Okay. Now, sodium carbonate is manufactured by the thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate कैसा होता है, कैसा ऑब्टेन होता है सोडियम कार्बोनेट? बाय मैन्युफैक्चर्ड by thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, now see, this is now how this washing soda means sodium carbonate decahydrate is formed. How? Sodium carbonate is treated with 10 molecule of water and we will got a sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, let's move to next one. There are the uses for washing soda. Simply these uses are very simply. Okay, what are these uses for washing soda? The sodium washing soda is used in the ग्लास सोप एंड पेपर इंडस्ट्री. कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? ग्लास सोप एंड पेपर इंडस्ट्री. एंड ऑल्सो मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ द सोडियम कंपाउंड सच एज द बोरेक्स. लास्ट वन इज it is used for removing the permanent hardness for water. So first of all, what is mean by the hard water? What is mean by the hard water? Hard water means what? The water which does not producing the soap, foam, water which does not producing the soap after washing. Like a river water. Hard water means river water, sea water. This water is a does not producing any foam. After washing, this water is does not producing foam. Such water is a hard water. उसमें क्या होता है? The carbonates and bicarb, because why this hardness is present in water? Because there is a presence of carbonate and bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium salt. क्या होता है उसमें? The presence of carbonates and bicarbonates of the calcium and magnesium salts होते हैं. So that's why the water is going to hard. Water is going to hard, and such water is doesn't show any foam after using the soap. Okay, so removing of hardness of water, that is a permanent hardness of water, we use the washing soda. Okay, now let's move to another one. The crystals of salt are dry or not? The crystals of salts are whether dry or they are wet. Okay, so how we identify this? Whether the crystals of salts are dry or wet? Okay, see, salts are any solids, whether it is dry or not. How we find this? Now see, this is an activity. We have to take one test tube, and over there we have to take a copper sulfate crystals, which are actually in a blue color, and we have to heat it. Okay. Now whether this color of these crystals are changed after heating or not, yes, these colors of crystals are changed and this turn into white. ब्लू से वो कौन सा कलर हो जाता है उनका, वाइट कलर हो जाता है. ओके. नाउ सो हियर इज अ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. वी हैव टू लर्न हियर वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. क्या पढ़ना है हमें? वाटर ऑफ crystallization. So first of all, what is mean by the water of crystallization? Listen, many salts contain water molecule. Many salt contain a water molecule. Okay. And such salts are hydrated salts. वो salt क्या होते हैं? Hydrated salts होते हैं. Okay. The water molecule present in salt is known as water of crystallization. किसे बोलते हैं water of crystallization? See, this is water of crystallization means what? The water molecule present in the salt is nothing but the water of crystallization. Okay. Example लेंगे हम. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. See, this is example. Copper sulfate 5 water molecule means क्या होता है? 5 water molecule means penta. That is a pentahydrate. It is a copper sulfate pentahydrate. Okay. ब्लू कलर ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट होता है. पहले कौन सा कलर होता है? ब्लू कलर. ओके. ड्यू टू वाई दिस इज ब्लू कलर? बिकॉज ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ द 5 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. बिकॉज ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ 5 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल दिस कलर इज अ ब्लू. ओके. नाउ व्हेन कॉपर सल्फेट इज हीटेड, जब हम उसे हीट करते हैं, देन इट लूजेज अ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल and turn into white color. It loses water molecule and turn into white color, which is known as a anhydrous copper sulfate, and which is known as a anhydrous copper sulfate. Okay. After adding water again, this color white in changes again into blue. क्या हो जाता है? जब हम again water molecule add करते हैं, then this color is changes again into blue. Again the color is changes into blue. Got it everyone? Now see, this is CuSO4 5H2O means what? Copper sulfate pentahydrate. Okay. Now हमने पढ़ा था Na2CO3 10H2O means it is a washing soda. That is a sodium carbonate decahydrate. It is a sodium carbonate decahydrate, and it is a wet or dry. So it is dry. Why it is dry? Because of the crystallization of the water, because of the process of water of crystallization. Water of crystallization किसे बोलते हैं? Water of crystallization means the presence of water molecule into any salt. Presence of water molecule into any salt, that is a water of crystallization. And due to the water of crystallization, this sodium carbonate decahydrate is a dry. ये क्या है? Dry है. Okay. Now let's move to another example. Gypsum. Let's move to another example. Gypsum. Okay. What is the formula for gypsum? See, this is CaSO4 calcium sulfate 2H2O means how many water molecules are there? 2. Okay. So when this gypsum is heated at the temperature of 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin means 100 degrees Celsius. 373 Kelvin means 100 degrees Celsius. Then we will got the calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemihydrate means क्या? उसमें हाफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है बस. उसमें इट कंटेन्स ओनली हाफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. दैट इज द हेमीहाइड्रेट. ओके. एट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दिस gypsum is converted into the calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay. calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now, so why this is half? Why this is a water molecule half? Because one formula unit of copper, formula unit of the calcium sulfate, ये देखिए formula unit, see, one formula unit of the copper sulfate is containing one water molecule. Sorry for this. One water molecule is for 2 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ द कॉपर सल्फेट. 2 फॉर्मूला यूनिट होते हैं कॉपर सल्फेट के, उसके पास कितना होता है? ओनली 1 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होता है. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस हियर ओनली 1 कॉपर सल्फेट मॉलिक्यूल. सो फॉर ओनली 1 कॉपर सल्फेट molecule there is a for only 1 copper sulfate formula unit there is only half water molecule. Why this is half? Because for 2 कॉपर सल्फेट के लिए एक ही वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रहता है. ओके, 2 कॉपर सल्फेट के लिए एक ही वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रहता है. फॉर वन कॉपर सल्फेट फॉर्मूला यूनिट देर इज ओनली हाफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, there is only half a water molecule, and this is known as a plaster of Paris. This is known as a plaster of Paris. And again the plaster of Paris is again react with water, then we will again got the gypsum. Okay, again got the gypsum. See, CaSO4 half water molecule is again reacted with the 1.5 water molecule. We will get the gypsum, that is a CaSO4 dot 2H2, that is a formula for gypsum. Okay, now here we learn about, today we learn about the, what we learn today, the water of crystallization. Water of crystallization means what? The presence of water molecule in a salt, any salt. Okay, that is a water of crystallization होता है. And after presence of the water molecule which is present in any salt, that is they show the dryness. They show, the salt show the dryness. And NaCl is a natural dry. It is naturally show the dryness, that is it is a crystal showing the presence of crystal. Okay, NaCl, it is a natural showing of the presence of crystal. Okay, now here we finished our second lesson, that is acid, base and salt.